So can you flip a Forex account? Well, in my opinion, you can, but not in the traditional way. So there are many videos of YouTube of people flipping accounts from, let's say, $500 to 10K or 50K, doing these crazy trades, over risking 10% of the account on one trade, or maybe even 20% of the account in one trade, and that is just completely crazy. So to actually flip a Forex account, it's going to take some time, especially if you're a beginner and you're just starting. Today I have for you 4 steps that you can implement right now as a beginner to flip your account and start consistently trading Forex. Starting Forex with a really small amount of money can be done, but you need to approach it in a smart way and you need to be really patient. For this example, we will suppose that you have, let's say, $1,500 in your account that you can use and devote only to Forex. So the first step is to actually take out $500 from that account and actually invest in an education. You can learn to trade Forex in a community, you can learn from a mentor, you can find someone online to help you. It can definitely be done, but you need to do your due diligence, you need to do some good research, and you need to find a strategy that actually suits your personality. So go online, look for trading communities, look for mentors. If you're wondering how to spot a real profitable mentor, I have a video on it. I will put it somewhere in this video so you can click it. In the Forex world, there are many scammers who are out to get your money. They're making money on the affiliates, on selling you a course, and just flashing the Forex lifestyle without knowing anything about trading. So it's really important to do your research and due diligence, know how to spot a good trader who doesn't promise you millions in 2 months, but who actually tells it like it is and who can actually teach you how to trade consistently. Take that $500, invest it in an education, and then focus on that education for at least 6 months. So I have not seen anyone be in, let's say, a community or learn trading from a mentor for less than 6 months and actually be consistently profitable. Most people take around maybe a year and a half. So I would recommend at least 6 months of just learning to trade and trading demo aside. Of course, that is a really good thing to trade demo, but not putting any sort of real money on the line, because there is a high chance that you will lose the money, and it is just stupid to start trading without knowing anything about trading. You're almost guaranteed to lose money. So I would say save your money at least 6 months, focus only on the education, do demo trading, and be patient. Then after 6 months, once you start getting some confidence, once you start really learning the strategy, and once you know the basics of the strategy and get the entries, where to buy, where to sell, the stop losses, the risk management, the psychology, then you can put $500 into a live trading account. So live trading is very different than backtesting and very different than demo trading. That is real money on the line and everything is different. The time period from backtesting is much greater, so you have to wait for trades. And in demo trading, it's not real money, so the psychology is not there. That's why I recommend putting $500 into a live trading account, doing proper risk management, which can be done with $500. You can do proper risk management. I would recommend risking 1% and just learning really how to live trade, adjusting to the markets, learning the strategy, how it trades in the live markets, how it acts, how you act, so your psychology, and just really adapting to the step of going live. So you're now live trading, you're risking 1%, and let's say after 6 months your results start becoming good, you start getting consistent, you start making profits almost each month. Maybe some months you're around break even, maybe some months you're even in the negative, but some months you're making 10-15%, which is definitely enough to pass, let's say, an FTMO prop firm challenge. So at this point, once you have built a good track record, then it's time to start taking prop firm challenges. So from our budget of $1,500, we have invested $500 into education, $500 was put into a live trading account, and now $500 will be devoted to passing a prop firm challenge. So I would actually split the $500 into 2, so $250 and $250, and then you have enough money to take 2 prop firm challenges. Of course, that is much better because you're not guaranteed to pass on the first one. Most likely you will need that second opportunity. It is just the way the Forex market works. Some months are good, some months are bad. You never know which months will be negative, which months will be break even. Of course, if you actually finish break even, you get a free repeat. But if you finish in the negative, you lose the challenge. So have at least $500 set aside. Then open one 50K challenge. I believe it's around $250, maybe a bit more. Start a challenge and see how you do. See if you pass it, see if you get a break even. If you fail it, you still have another opportunity, you still have that 250 lying around and you can take another challenge. The fourth and the final step is to actually, once you pass the challenge, is to start making profits. Take out those profits, do more challenges, or actually put the profits into your own personal account, and this is where your personal account actually starts to grow. This is the final step, and this is the most satisfying part, I would say. That is when all of your hard work pays off, and that is when the account increases, and essentially you have flipped a $1,500 account into a 10k, maybe 30k, maybe even 50k, depends on your profits. And you're also trading prop firm capital, so your capital is now getting really big. This all can be done, but you cannot rush the process. It is a marathon, not a sprint. All of the people I see that come in and let's say after 2 or 3 months they have major success, they blow up later, they just lose all of their money. It just cannot be done in a short amount of time. You need at least a year, 2 years, maybe even 3 years. It's like a degree. You would not expect to become a, let's say, mechanical engineer in just a few months or in just a year. It takes at least 5 years to get a degree in mechanical engineering. And guess what? Trading is the same. It takes a few years to get not a degree, but to get the knowledge and to actually do live trading and to get prop firm capital. But once you succeed in trading, the money is just huge. The possibilities are endless. And in my opinion, investing that time into trading and not into getting a degree is much more lucrative. So just be patient, guys. There are many traders like you who have just started from zero, who were just beginners. I was a beginner once. I just took my time, as all of the other traders did. We never gave up. We just stuck to it. We showed up every day, did the work, and now we are consistently profitable traders. So it's definitely worth it investing the time. It all pays off in the end. That's it for the video, guys. I hope you enjoyed and took some value. If you're interested in one-on-one personal coaching calls, look at the link in the description. Go to my website, book a call. I can help you with anything you need. Do like this video, do subscribe, check out my channel for other interesting trading related content. I post daily trade recaps, forecasts, so definitely check it out, and I will see you guys in the next one.